Like that?
Yeah, I like the white one better.
You can just feel it popping. It's like pop.
That one. I
Oh,
love
there.
that one.
There's some down there too. Look up there.
Are
There's
there?
2 sets.
Yeah, there are.
These ones are way cooler because it's on our side.
Be more interested. I think they should have it where they set it off at different locations.
I think that's what they're doing. But it's like near each other though.
Yeah, but I mean, like all over the city, like you don't know where it's gonna be.
Yeah.
I saw
Look at this French fry.
Like so you can
from an
see it
airplane one.
anywhere at your house
Yeah.
and stuff.
Look at it.
It was almost a white one.
Ooh.
It's been 12 minutes.
I'm gonna text them saying we're in front of McDonald's.
I wonder where they get this fireworks.
We're not really. Oh yeah, we are. I thought it was more down the street. No, we're in front of KFC and Taco Bell.
That one.
We're between
I'm just gonna
McDonald's
say
and
that.
Taco Bell. But what if they come from that way?
Then they're gonna go to the train tracks, and I'll be here.
Where it moves up there.
Oh yeah. Why aren't there more people over here? Woo! Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that one's like falling.
Whoa.
Oh, that's so
That's beautiful.
amazing.
It's beautiful. You know it is.
Whoa, there was a star.
They keep everything.
Ooh. There's an eyeball.
That looks like a
Maybe that's okay.
What? It looked
Jesse,
like an
what
eye.
if this was so sad that they were actually playing theme music just so it seemed like?
What?
What if there was the screams were just, you know how amusement parks and all that have like people screaming and it's just the music? What if that was that?
Just to hear music?
No, never mind.
What? No, just say it again.
Okay. You know how at amusement parks, like they'll to make it seem like somebody's screaming, they'll have it on like a CD or something, so people screaming and they'll play it during
People
the
don't
ride.
do that.
Well, they did it once at this one place. Anyways, never mind. I just confused myself. You made me get confused.
But now, woo!
Is that them?
What?
I can't see anymore, but is that, that looks like Kathy. Hold on. I think
It
that's
could
Kathy
be.
up there.
No, it's not.
No, not over there. Down there.
Down where?
Down there, but now you can't see it.
Like buffering.
Because she's wearing my green tank top and my blue shorts, and that looks like her.
Oh.
Where?
She's gone now. Do you want the rest of my french fries?
Where'd you get a cookie from?
I don't know.
The baby cookie.
I thought that was the finale. What? I thought that was the finale.
No, finales are way bigger.
How long does this go on for?
Until it stops. 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Until they run out of fireworks.
It's been 15
Yeah.
minutes.
Is it?
Yeah. I got a timer right here, taking a video of the whole thing. And I'm gonna
Adela's like-
edit out the boring parts.
Adela's like, that's where my cousin is. I'm like, okay.
Okay, come here. Okay, we're right next to
Hey,
the
did they have
train
fireworks?
tracks. To be an American, well at least I know I'm free.
That's Summer Lad.
Oh, you're gonna probably stand up next to you. I don't know that part. There ain't no doubt I love this land. Come on, sing. God bless the
grass on my cup. I don't know why that was so funny, but it was.
It just was. Oh, woo!
Yeah!
She,
I can be loud and just like,
she never went
yeah.
up there to look around or sightsee.
You want me to be? I can do this.
To a Rome airport.
Be an American, where at least I know I'm free. The men who died, who gave that right to me, and I proudly stand up next to you. Where's
See, I make it sound bad when I sing.
when there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the
that part of the song?
USA.
Here. I have
In
a
Phoenix,
clip
they
with you.
always play
Right here.
this song to the finale. I'm gonna start it over because it's somewhere.
Bad service.
I think so. I think the song's playing faster than it's loading.
Yeah. Pause it for a while.
It should work now because it started. I can't think of any other patriotic songs. Do it. Starts with a banner.
Woo! Was that the one you liked, Dad?
Here for my horses.
Woo!
Oh, God.
I
Here
know.
for my horses.
Told you I could be loud.
This basketball game.
Yeah.
Proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free.
Oh, there you go.
The man who died, who gave that right to me, and I proudly stand up next to you. And there ain't no doubt I love this land.
Oh, yeah.
And God bless the USA.
What's that one about Bin Laden?
What?
If
There's
it
a
were
song
up
about
to-
Bin
If it
Laden?
were up to me, I'd play it every day.
I don't remember.
I have no idea what that is.
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Sounds like a country song.
It is, and he's talking about 9/11 and people not forgetting about it, and the news doesn't want to report on it because it makes people sad. And he
I
says,
don't know
"Well,
the
if it were up
difference
to me, I'd
between
play it every day."
Iraq and
Oh, yeah. I know that part.
Then say no.
What is
No.
it, babe?
No, don't smack Taylor.
no, I'm not really a fan of
He says. Who died, who gave that right to me, and I proudly stand up next to you. I don't know. What does it say right there?
Jake, you're missing the fireworks.
What does it
dude.
say right there?
Oh, were you going through the song?
What?
Were you going through the song?
Through the song. What?
Whoa!
It's a white one.
Look at that. Jesse, are you still recording? Because that might be just facing in the grass.
No, I set it up. It's not facing the grass.
Okay, what's the car?
I see where it's facing.
No, you got it the right way.
I see where it's
Okay.
facing. I know I have it the right way. Now you made me mess up, Taylor. Thank you. USA. That was like a planet.
Well, that was big.
I'd like to see how they have all those set up, you know, before they light them. And do they have ignition starters, or do they light them actually with
I don't know.
especially during the finale? There'll be a lot of stuff to light all at once.
I'm pretty sure the finale's like set up for it.
Taylor, or Jake, are you flirting with her?
gotta meet her.
No, it's good. It's arranged.
It's an arranged marriage.
I arranged it.
Oh.
Yeah.
He fell. He's like, Mom.
I did that today. My dad was like, Dad. Is that no? I don't think they're going to.
Me either.
You watched
She said she was, but I don't think she is.
Didn't you, Jake?
They're gonna come and
Where
we're
you going,
gone.
dude?
That was funny. It's like, where are you? We're right behind you.
That's not soft grass.
Don't you not want to get traumatized of the grass again?
Who's traumatized with the grass?
No, but Rose doesn't want him to get traumatized of the grass.
What does that mean?
I don't know, like traumatized of the grass.
I don't get what that means.
Traumatized?
Yeah.
Like afraid.
Oh, why would he be afraid of the grass?
I don't know. Rose doesn't want him to be afraid of the grass.
I used to be afraid of the grass. I'm just kidding. I was afraid of snow though. I thought it was a big monster trying to eat me.
Oh.
And it came every winter.
Better get back on the boat.
Came to eat you in the
My
winter.
mom told me when I was little that frosty snow was like
Oh, my goodness.
Where do you work?
Washington State.
Fireworks are
at
expensive.
what? What's that?
Washington State.
Yeah.
It's a state.
It's the state, Washington.
No,
Like-
Jake. Come on, get out
He
of
just
the
said
first.
state because he didn't want us to confuse
Yeah.
it with DC.
Yeah.
I know, but
Whenever I say Washington, like, oh, like Washington, D.C.
Yeah, I
What
don't
do you
think
do?
that because I live near there.
I'm in the Navy.
He works on helicopters and
Not
planes
helicopters.
and
I
stuff.
work on jets.
Jets. Okay, he works on jets, and he's gonna fly a helicopter someday.
Sure.
I want to ride in a helicopter. But I'm scared. Because I watched this movie the other night and everybody died.
I want to go bungee jumping.
Here.
I
No.
do.
Nick, have you ever gone skydiving?
I did once.
I don't see the necessity really of them
What?
going down the boat.
Oh, I'm looking
Yeah,
to
me
see
either.
if Dale's coming.
You know what me and Kathy did in there today? You're like inspecting our teeth. We're like trying to see how they look. This lady comes in. We're like, we're matching teeth. She followed us everywhere.
It won't
Why
let
were
me
you
pass it.
downtown?
Cause
Did you walk?
no,
Oh.
my dad. I was like, Dad, can we go downtown? And then we got fireworks and stuff.
Star Spangled Banner, but I have to keep starting it over.
And he
because
went to the
it's full.
bank. No, he didn't go to the. Yeah, he did.
It won't let
Yeah,
me
he went
pass
to
it.
the
I
bank.
heard it say.
I thought
United States
fireworks
Bank.
were illegal in Alton.
Oh, look. Ooh, that was
Yeah, we can't do that. Me and Olivia did.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Kathy taught me how to snap. I can't do this game. I can only do it like this.
Just
I can't. This finger kind of broke right here. Come on, get stand up. Stand for what you believe in. Okay. Wait, I can make this. It should be like strobe lights. It's like, yeah.
but then we won't be able to see fireworks.
Yeah, we would because they light up the sky. No, look, imagine it.
God bless America!
A room where like there's fireworks, they're like lighting up, and then there's strobe lights, and it's just like everything's lighting up, but it's like dark.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything coming after this?
I could hear it.
No, that was finale.
But don't they just do
We're
one
done.
random last?
See?
They do less and less every year.
They do?